This is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. Great to have Rocky Mountain Builds back on the show. Today, we're gonna get a tour of their latest creation on a Sprinter 144, so join us.
Hey Patrick, thanks for having us back on the show. We are Rocky Mountain Builds. We are a custom van builder based out of Salt Lake City, Utah, and we're happy to be here today to show you our latest custom build. Let's get right into it. This van is based on a 2024 Mercedes Sprinter van. It's all-wheel drive. On the exterior, we've done a few modifications. We have some side steps here. Up top, we've got a Fiamma extendable awning, a white top adventure roof rack and side ladder. Up front, we've got a LED curved light bar. And if you follow me towards the back of the van, we've got a van windows direct, half slide window. It does have a screen in it too. So if you wanna partially open it, allow air to come through, you can without letting the bugs in. Come around to the other side of the van. You can see we've got this side mounted ladder. We have another half slide window from Van Windows Direct, again with a screen. And we also have a manual dump valve for the gray tank back there. On top of our roof rack, we have 400 watts of solar panels mounted to the ceiling. We have a Max Air vent fan and a Vellet 2000R Mini auxiliary AC mounted out the back. Pop her open for you. In the back of the van, right here, we have our 30 amp shore power charging port. We have some rear accessible outlets with USB ports for whatever you might need to plug in when you're on the outside of your van. Over here, we have our city fill water inlet right here in our rear access shower. Happy to demonstrate that real quick. Simply take this head out, screw it on, and you're showering. All right, let's take a look on the inside of the van. First things first, this van has 2 Tech 2 premium woven vinyl flooring. The cabinetry is all 3/4 inch construction, built in-house, walnut veneer throughout. We've got another outdoor access outlet right here, and a 12-volt diesel heater mounted under the passenger seat. If you follow me inside, you'll notice our galley here. The doors and drawers throughout all the lower cabinetry has this beautiful solid walnut micro shaker construction. We do have a 12-volt refrigerator right here, and it does have a freezer section up top. We have Corian countertops throughout the van as well. This is a marble tile backsplash. Another outlet right here in your galley. Under this panel is our sink. Simply remove the panel, pop this up. We have a normal sink. Under the sink, we've got our Bosch tanked water heater. And then that's the drain that goes to the gray water dump below the van. All of our doors have these latches, so when you close them, they're not going to open on you while you're driving. Right here, we've got our 12-volt 2-burner induction cooktop. And then as many drawers as we can fit throughout the van. These are all slow close. Back here a little bit more, we do have a mini projector in our overhead storage. We've got a stowable portable screen, so you can set this up right here and watch yourself some movies while you're hanging out. As you'll notice, we have overhead storage throughout the entire van, front to back. Everywhere that we could put storage, we did, because we know how much storage means in a camper van. Back here, we've got our custom seating and bed solution. This is a very big seating area. As you can see, I could probably easily fit a couple more of my friends here, and we'd be comfortable hanging out while we're camping. These cushions are 5-inch high-density foam with custom upholstery to match the rest of the styling of the van. Very beautiful, very comfortable. The foam is dense enough so that if you sleep on it, you're not going to sink down to the plywood in the middle of the night and wake up with a hurting back. And then right here, we've got a table on a swivel podium mount. You can keep it small like this, but if you need some more table space, you can pull these leaflets out and extend it. Now I'm going to show you how we deploy the bed. All we got to do is pop this table off, stow this underneath the seating area. This podium simply unscrews as well. And then if you notice this little knob right here, simply push this down and this whole system will fold right out, lay flat, and then you can use your extra cushion here to shove back in this gap in the back. And then you've got yourself a nice big bed. This is definitely big enough to comfortably sleep 2 adults. It's approximately a full-size bed. Let me just fold this back up and I'll show you the power system. As you can see, it's very easy to do with just one person. You can have it folded down and back up in less than a minute. Next, I want to show you our power system. Located in this cabinetry in the rear, we've got an EcoFlow 48-volt lithium power system. It is a 5 kilowatt-hour battery bank. Down here is the switch panel and fuse block. So if you ever need to service any of your fuses, it's easy to access. That just pops right back on. Up here we have more custom storage and cabinetry, some more countertop. We like to do little woodworking projects here at Rocky Mountain Builds. So here's a custom-made bread box. Stylistically cool. You can also store your bread and whatever else you want to put in there. There is another USB outlet in the back there. We've got some more little cabinet right here, as well as more overhead storage. In this cabinet in the rear, we do have a cabinet just for a cassette toilet. And of course, we will be including a brand new one with the van. Looking up on the ceiling, we do have a custom walnut slat roof with recessed 12-volt lighting. Again, there's 12-volt lighting throughout this whole thing. And if you come look over here, right here we have all of the lights on different zones. They're all dimmable. You can turn them off from here. You can also turn them off via the EcoFlow app on your phone. So if you want to turn them off without having access to this, you can. There is a USB outlet and control panel for our hot water heater and the water pump here as well. But yeah, so that's basically the whole build. It's been a really fun one to build. We're eager to find a new home for it. This van is available now. We also do full custom builds, so whatever your heart desires, we can do. Patrick, thanks again for having us on the show, and we are looking forward to seeing you next time.
I love the details, I appreciate the tour, and I'll see you guys next time.